What are you doing? Oh, camera on? Camera on? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Camera on. Oh, come out the fight.
Alex? Hey!
Oh, you are not expected. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, eh? She does not have a relationship with Big Bird. She hates him. Is it my accent?
Wait, what? He's up here.
Is it my
Ollie!
Ah!
Hey, she's fired up.
Yeah, they know that we're up here.
Alright.
They're fighting.
I think she does not like
They're
my
both up here,
accent. Oh, she's not accepted. And if you are watching this, you are accepted in Gash Panda Squad. Stop. What they are. Stop it.
They're in their own party.
She does not like me. Oh, tell me it isn't true. She likes me. I can tell. I'm beautiful.
There's literally nowhere else.
From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. Mirror. From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. Literally, my toes are beautiful. Just look at them. Beautiful, eh? Not my toenails. Do not look at my toenails. Disgusting. I'm a filthy creature, but it's fine. It's fine. I am a bird, but I do not look like a bird. No, I was on Sesame Street, and believe me, you do not want to be on Sesame Street. It's terrible. What the? Go away, dog. Anyway, I do not like dogs. No, I like chewing on wires. From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. From my head to my toe, I am beautiful. Oh, am I singing on camera? Boys, do not sing. Do not sing on camera, boys. No. If you're a boy, why are you wearing makeup? This is how my eyes look. You like it? You like how my eyes look? That is eyeliner. No, it is not. I am French. This is how French people wear
Oh my God,
stuff.
I got a missile.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know, I'm gonna hide somewhere.
French people do love things. People all love things. From your head to your paws. You are beautiful. Will you marry me? Hey, look at me. Will you marry me? Fine. You cannot be my French girlfriend.
Wait, why didn't you go into a bit? If they,
Alright. Move if you are not my girlfriend. You're not my girlfriend. Yeah, just leave my home.
Let's see.
Wanted to be a friend. With
What, did I scare you?
boy in front of it. From my head to my toe, I am not beautiful. I'm not beautiful.
So from
Your head to your toe, you are beautiful. Eh? No? Okay. Why does nobody like my song? Not nice at all. I don't even like your song. From your head to your toe, you are mean. Kick people in the face, huh? You're eating your foot. Yeah, Gru's are back. See? Gru no foot. And oh, I cut out my accent. Oh, lizard. Yum, yum. That's something I can eat. Yum, 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 yum. He's probably going to poop right on me. Oh, Lulu. He's coming over now. Hey, Louie. That's his name. I guess people say Louie. And look at him. Excuse me. And look at him. So I guess his name's Louie. I will eat Louie.
I'm watching ya. I see ya. What you gonna do?
Yummy. Just kidding. I didn't eat him because I'm nice, big bird. Anyway, I will not.
Oh, look at that. You'll get electrocuted.
No. Anywho, yeah. So, yeah. I will not eat Louie. He has French voice, so therefore I will not eat Louie. Nice boy. I want to eat cupcake, but I do not have cupcake. So I cannot eat cupcake. Cupcake! Come on here. Stale cupcake. Gross.
Oh,
Therefore, gross cupcake. People eat these. They're disgusting. You cannot even eat these. Who eats these? How do you eat these? They're like stone hard. You don't have teeth. You can't eat them. You don't have teeth. Oh, you just say I don't have teeth? Can you count all these baby teeth? Oh, I guess I do not have any teeth. I guess I do not have any teeth. Can I end the video? I don't want nobody seeing me cry. No. And this dog is rude. Yeah, you can end the video. I'm gonna cry.
Get down!